paint's looking beautiful. Now that you all see the color, I hope that you like it as much as I do, and if you don't, oh damn well. I love it, and you got to build for your own self, but I believe the color is absolutely beautiful. Custom color, definitely not going to be seen. It might be things out there similar maybe, but that thing is hard. And wait till you see it in different type of lighting. So we're getting ready to load this thing up, so we'll get with you all to see the process, and then we got a bunch of goodies right here, goodies all in here, bunch of stuff we still got to load up, all type of parts. All right. So finally got this thing on the trailer finally. Was nerve-wracking, but here we go right here. Color is crazy. Custom color all the way. Loving it. There's some tones in there that y'all don't see yet, but you won't see them until certain lights. But yeah, it does look good. Loving my color, for real. There's a lot of things in here. So y'all stay up. We're about to end up getting on the road, and then we'll get with y'all when we get ready to unload.
Couldn't tell her anything different. That they got the beefier axles under them nowadays because we have the JKs. I still have mine.
And start basically reassembling. At this point in time, I already went live on the Instagram. YouTube was tripping, so I couldn't do the live there. It was tripping by trying to go phone. Evidently changes, settings have changed, but anyway, I still post this video you all can see the actual color of the car. And it's gonna be a process from here. You know, we got a lot of parts to put back into the car, a lot of changes to still make. So the road is not finished being done, traveled. It's not going to be quick by any means, but it will start moving a bit more toward the goal line now. As we start getting suspension back in, as we start getting we still got a whole 2 batch of parts to go out to get coated. We still got other parts that are still coming in. We still got other things that aren't finished being made yet. So, but it's, you know, it's in the hands of, you know, the fam, APP. You already know, once it gets in their hands, it's time to start really turning up. You know how they do the work. You know the quality of work they do. So you can only imagine like what's going to happen from here. The car is pretty much back home. This is like the home of the car. It's been here for years. So when my bros get it, it's all the way up. You know, it's time for you all to start seeing magic. So I'm really excited about this. I'm really excited. E back there in the background, Harry back there vaping. So Dad's getting the car unhooked right now. We're gonna roll it off here. Hopefully don't drop it. Yep. But yeah, it is looking good. There's some small things we're gonna take care of, but other than that, it's game time.
Drop off and roll forward. Hold that front end where it is.
Pull it?
Hold it where it is.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good for now. We'll get it.
Who's into the bikes?
My son.
Yep.
Yeah, little E-man.
He's been racing since he was 4. He's 13. We all were at one point, and then we're all falling off. Except for this.
One LS?
Yes.
Yeah. This has been adjusted and open, right?
Should be. There's no hood prop in there though.
Damn.
Wow.
Looks good all one color.
It was good. He did a good job.
Yeah.
He kind of pissed us off though.
Yeah. All right, so I'm about to get with the fellas. We're about to get the boxes out, go over a lot of other things. We will get with you all later for the build. Peace. Thanks for tuning in and watching another video here at Wolfpack Performance. Check out some of my other content on Formula One issues, our topics, and our DIY products on how to customize your vehicle. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.